I believe that love is eternal, in a sense. When we love, it binds us not just to a person's body, but to their soul as well. One day, I know that perhaps not for a long, long, long time, but one day I too shall die, and when I do, I shall finally get to see her again. For having loved her, even for a short while, in the grand scheme of the world, that in and of itself was beautiful. And I live after that love with not an ounce of regret in my soul. I live and I live and I live fiercely and long and with kindness. Because truthfully, even though she is no longer with me, she left me with a lesson. And the lesson is to remember that no matter what we gain and what we lose, we are always growing. We are always achieving new things, finding new people to love, finding new skills to practice, new hobbies to have fun with. And even if we lose something, we're not the people we are once we do. Once we've changed, we've grown. And I too, like each tree of this forest, have grown 1,000 times, even more so because of her. And how can you say that that is sad? I truly don't think so. And so I wander this forest, knowing one day I shall see her again, with no doubt in my mind that should someone else come to my forest, asking to see me, or perhaps to fall in love with me, I would only ever say no. My heart is for someone else. And should 8,000 years more pass, I'll always remember.